Have you ever wondered what BEAMX is? Let's delve right into it. In the vast universe of cryptocurrencies, BEAMX is a rising star that's capturing the attention of crypto enthusiasts and beginners alike. Born from the innovative technology of blockchain, BEAMX is not just another cryptocurrency. Its origins trace back to Beam, a privacy-focused coin, and BEAMX is an upgraded version of it. It's a token that's poised to revolutionize the way we perceive privacy and transactions in the digital world. With its unique features, BEAMX offers an intriguing blend of privacy, scalability, and usability. It's much more than a simple digital currency. It's a tool designed to provide users with a secure, private, and efficient method of conducting transactions. It's a beacon in the ever-evolving crypto marketplace, shining a light on the future of digital transactions. Now that you know a little about BEAMX, you might be wondering, how does BEAMX work? So, how does BEAMX work? Let's break it down. BEAMX operates on a technology known as blockchain, a digital ledger where transactions are recorded in a secure and transparent manner. This cryptocurrency is mined using a process called proof of work, where miners use their computers to solve complex mathematical problems and verify transactions. Once the problem is solved, a new block is added to the blockchain and the miner is rewarded with BEAMX. But what sets BEAMX apart from other cryptocurrencies? Well, it's all about privacy and scalability. BEAMX uses a unique technology called Mimblewimble, which eliminates the need for much of the data in each transaction, thereby enhancing privacy and reducing the size of the blockchain. This means faster, more efficient transactions. Understanding the workings of BEAMX is key to grasping its potential impact. But why should you be interested in BEAMX? Why should you be interested in BEAMX? Let's find out. BEAMX is not just another crypto coin, it's a symbol of revolution in the digital economy. It boasts unique features that set it apart in the crowded cryptosphere. One of its key strengths is its privacy-centric design, which means your transactions remain confidential, providing an extra layer of security. But it's not just about privacy. BEAMX also touts scalability, a feature that allows it to handle a high volume of transactions without compromising speed or efficiency. This makes it a viable option not just for individual users, but also for businesses seeking to incorporate blockchain technology. Moreover, its potential use cases extend beyond mere transactions. BEAMX could be used in various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and logistics, thanks to its flexibility and adaptability. So why is it gaining popularity? Because it promises a future where transactions are private, efficient, and adaptable to myriad uses. So, there you have it. A simple breakdown of BEAMX, a game changer in the crypto world. Now, you're well on your way to understanding and potentially investing in BEAMX.